Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making moong dal dahi bade. For this here I have taken 1 cup of moong dal and I have soaked this dal overnight. If you don't have time and you are in hurry, at least soak the dal for 2 hours. I have soaked this overnight. Now here I have taken 3 to 4 green chilies roughly sliced with the seeds. 1 teaspoon of ginger powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I am using ginger powder. If you want, you can use fresh ginger also. Now here in this blender, first of all I will add the dal. Now here I have added this moong dal along with the same water in which I have soaked the dal in the blender. Now I will add in green chilies, bismillah, ginger and cumin, bismillah. Now cover the blender and bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I will blend this dal into a smooth paste. Bismillah. Now here I have blended this dal with cumin and ginger and green chilies into a smooth paste, and I have transferred this batter in a bowl. Now I will add in salt to taste and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. This is not soda. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now after adding salt and baking powder, I will whisk this for 10 minutes. Now after mixing salt and baking powder, I have whisked this for 10 minutes and now this batter is ready. And here in the wok I have added oil. Now I will put the spoonfuls of this batter. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will fry them till they turn light golden in color. Now these fritters are fried, and now I will slide them in this warm water for 15 minutes till they are tender. Now after 15 minutes I have drained out the water from the fritters, and now I have to prepare the sauce. For the sauce, here I have taken 2 cups of curd and I will whisk the curd till it is smooth and lump free. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now here I have whisked the curd, it is smooth and lump free, and here I have added salt to taste. Now I will add in 3/4 cup of milk. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am adding milk just to loosen the thickness, but if you want you can add in water also. Just mix them together. Now this sauce is ready, and now I will arrange this in a serving dish. Now here this sauce is ready, and here in this bowl I have added the fritters. Now over the fritters I will pour this sauce. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is only plain curd. Now this is done. Now for the topping, here I have taken coriander leaves, chili lime powder, chaat masala and dahi bada masala. I am using these 3 spices, but if you want you can use any one of them also. Right now I have just made 1 serving and I have sprinkled all 3 spices, the chili lime powder, chaat masala and dahi bada masala, and lastly I have sprinkled little coriander leaves. This moong dal dahi badas are ready to be served. Just chill them for a few hours in the fridge and then serve. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.